Hey, good afternoon, YouTube. Just want to post up a quick video. Um, Had another experience which I thought was a teaching point for agents in terms of rebuttals, overcoming objections, things of that nature. My dog's out here. That's my dog. So, Yaga? He knows it. All right. But anyway, so basically, I had an older couple. They were 68. The wife was 68. Husband was 67. Went out to him the first day. She already had insurance coverage, so she didn't need any, but the husband didn't have any. So I was gonna help him get set up with an insurance program. Had them all set. Monthly payment was all good and everything. He was gonna be paying like 85 bucks or something, $83 a month or something. Everything worked. Then when we got to the payment portion, he did not want to use his bank account. So, after going back and forth, he just did not want to use his bank account. Old guy, doesn't trust banks, said that they would probably overdraft them and steal all of his money. Okay, fine. I'm not going to argue with you on it. Whatever. So we could do direct express for his payment method. Well, I didn't have that particular carrier that carried direct express with me at the time. So I told him that I would come back out. I would give him a call Monday to see when was the best time to come back out, and I would see him on Tuesday. I gave him a call today. He no longer wants to meet, no longer wants insurance, anything of that nature. Now, where the objection comes in is his reasoning was, yeah, I'm just not gonna do anything now. So instead of me kept trying to go back and forth with him on, why he doesn't want to go ahead and get this protection in place, I chose to speak with his wife. Now, what I told his wife was, hey, I totally understand, he doesn't care about getting insurance, but to be completely honest with you, he doesn't have to care about getting insurance. You have to care about him getting insurance. Why? Because of the fact that when he passes away, it doesn't matter to him. He's now dead. But you, Miss Helen, you're at 68. You're going to have to be responsible for paying for his burial. And I mean, you can't borrow the money from your insurance policy to pay for his insurance for his burial. He has to have his own insurance plan. So I said, listen, I know he doesn't care about getting insurance, but if you want to go ahead and take out some type of policy so that that burden doesn't fall down to you, definitely give me a call. I'll be happy to come back out and go over the options for you that you could get program wise for him, and then we can kind of just go from there. If it works for you, great. If not, no worries. I just want to present the opportunities for you so that if, and it's not even an if, when he passes, that burden of burying him doesn't fall to you. So feel free to give me a call back. I won't twist your arm. I won't beat you up. I won't call you a million times like a telemarketer. I just have a note in the system that just says that if and when you get ready, you'll reach out. Now, these type of people, I won't press. You don't press people in this insurance industry. Why? Because of the fact that only thing that they can do is, it's not like selling cars, for example, where you can just beat them down. No, 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 no. And then they finally just, all right, fine. I'll just buy it. With the insurance, you can beat them down, keep telling them why they need it. And, they could just be tired of hearing from you, and they'll just say, fine, okay, yeah, right, great, write it up. But then just as soon as you leave, those same people cancel the policy, and now you have a charge back. So always err on the side of not writing the policy as opposed to trying to twist someone's arm to write the policy and get them covered, because just as soon as you finish, they're just going to cancel it, and then now you have a charge back anyway. So just a little tip on the overturning the objection of where one spouse says, oh no, I don't care about it, I don't need it. When they do that, that's when you want to go to the other spouse, because when that spouse that doesn't care about it dies, it's on the other spouse to figure out a burial plan and how they're going to get the money to bury their spouse. So trying to have these great conversations with the person that doesn't care about it is going to get you nowhere. Your best bet is to have a conversation with the spouse that's going to have to bury that person that doesn't care. Like, hey, okay, we're great. You don't care, but I have to bury you, so I care. I'm the same way. My fiance and I, yeah, like, she's gonna have insurance because of the fact that when she passes away, I don't want to have to worry about that. I don't want to have to dig into my stash, to bury her, when she can just go ahead and take out a policy now that'll take care of that for the rest of her life. Why? Like, that isn't fair for her to put that burden on me, vice versa. I have a policy as well, because I don't want her to have to be burdened down with that if and when I pass. And everybody say if you pass as though like some of us have some type of secret fountain that keeps you alive forever. We don't. We will die. So I don't even really like to say if. It's just when, and that when I hope comes way down the line, and then not tomorrow, obviously, but yeah, you ever having you're going back and forth, and you have one spouse that says they don't care. Always try to break it down and explain it, not to that person that doesn't care, but to the spouse, because the spouse has that little extra cachet to be able to twist their arm and be like, hey, listen, now you acting stupid, you need this. Whereas you as the agent, you can't necessarily say that. So that's all for now. You guys have a great day. It's beautiful outside. I'm gonna play with the dog for a little bit, and I'm gonna get in here and I'm gonna make me some phone calls and book some appointments for the rest of the week. So yeah, you guys have a great day. Leave any comments. Definitely subscribe. We're gonna keep this rolling all day, not all day, all week, all year, for the rest of eternity. Hey, let's get it. Have a good one.